severe thunderstorm warning for northern Benton County until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles southwest of Washburn to Keystone, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. The following effects are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations affected include Auburn, Garrison, Vinton Memorial Airport, Mini Estima Park, Benton County Fairgrounds, Rogers Park, Kinney, Hopeful Dune Park, and Dysart. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 46 and 38. Take cover now.